Understanding the phrase, crack someone up. Hello and welcome to today's lesson on English idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, crack someone up. This idiom is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can add a humorous touch to your conversations. So, let's dive into the world of laughter and comedy through language. The phrase, crack someone up, doesn't involve any actual cracking. Instead, it's a figurative way of saying that something or someone is so funny or amusing that it causes another person to laugh a lot, often uncontrollably. When you crack someone up, you bring joy and laughter into their life, even if just for a moment. The origins of crack someone up are a bit murky, but it's believed to be derived from the idea of cracking a smile, which then evolved into causing uproarious laughter. It's a versatile phrase used in various contexts. 1. In jokes. His jokes always crack me up. I can't help but laugh. 2. In conversations. Every time we meet, her stories crack me up. She's so hilarious. 3. In performances. The comedian was so good, he cracked the whole audience up. To help you understand better, here are some examples of how crack someone up can be used in sentences. The movie was so funny, it cracked me up the whole time. She has a great sense of humor. She can crack up anyone she talks to. Remember that time you told that funny story and cracked everyone up at the party? While crack someone up is generally positive, it's important to use it appropriately. 1. Know your audience. Ensure that your humor is suitable for the people you're speaking with. 2. Be sensitive. What cracks one person up might not be funny to someone else. Always be mindful of others' feelings. Crack someone up is a colorful expression that adds life and laughter to our conversations. It's a reminder of the joy and humor that language can convey. We hope this video has cracked you up with knowledge and understanding. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cracking up your friends with your perfect English. Until next time, keep laughing and learning.